Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. We just checked into the Best Western Plus lawn field, which is outside of Cleveland, Ohio. So this is room number 102. And I'm just going to give you guys a quick room tour here. Actually, it's Lawn Field Inn and Suites. Look at that. In Mentor, Ohio. So there's a kitchenette in here, fridge, microwave, kitchen cabinets. Okay, let's take a look at the washroom. So as you guys can tell, this is an older property, but I have to say, so far so good as far as cleanliness is concerned. The check-in process was smooth, customer service was good, interesting wallpaper. Yeah, everything seems to be clean, which is very important, obviously. But yeah, so far so good. But yeah, it's definitely an older property. Carpet, blue carpet. I don't know how you feel about that. So I'm trying to find out. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if we have a view. Probably not, because we are on the first floor, 102. No view, but whatever. How that works. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick room tour. Everything's looking like it looks like it's in order. It's actually really spacious now that I'm wandering around here. It's pretty spacious in here. It's like we have our own little living room here. Really cool, actually. Okay, thanks for watching Travel Guru TV. Thanks for watching this room tour. Let me know in the comment section if you stayed here before, if you have stayed at another Best Western Plus. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.